You want one? You want one? You want one? You want one? You want one?
Well, you know, destroying prizes, inventions, unleashed a biohazard, hated by all. Typical Tuesday.
You want one? You really want one? Do you want one? You want one?
Somebody do something! Chase, throw your baby up to get one down! No way! But it's gonna get hurt! Hurt? Adam, it's
Do you want one that bad? That bad? Good boy! You want another one? You already had one today, but do you want another?
You almost never judges me. I was supposed to look after him and I failed. I failed you, my little cry hole. Well, I don't care. I'm going to turn my hand, which means I'm going to win and you're going to lose. Ha! Yeah, I guess so. Congratulations, Chase. Thank you.
You want one?
I'm going to go now.
Is this what you want?
I'm going to do it.
Is it? Yeah, I don't know. You have to tell me.
Okay, fine. I'll help you. Thanks, Chase.
We found him again. We found him.
Especially the part where you completely fell.
Yeah, you just hit my leg with them. Oh.